Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
Mother told the insect igloo tale to the infant near the TV. The infant found an insect on the ink pot. Observing is fun and learning.
Let's meet with new sounds.
I, I, I.
Let's do actions with me.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and good whack. The ink is spread all over the desk.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Igloo, infant, ink pot. Igloo. Infant. Ink pot. Dear kids, what do you know about the igloo? What are igloos made of?
see you in the next lesson.